Alright friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this galvanized planter for raised garden beds. Alright, so this one you're going to have a little bit of assembly work. And it comes with these sheets of galvanized metal in here. It's corrugated. I'm going to be doing an assembly video, or I'll be assembling this also, so just be super careful. This can be really sharp, it can cut you, so it's a little heavy. So we have that, and also we have all these screws with some wing nuts in there. And then we have our curved portion. It's pretty heavy. And then we have, oh, those are sharp also. Be really careful with these. I highly recommend some gloves. The edges of these are serrated, so just slice me a little bit, but not enough to break the skin, but just be really careful with these. Gloves are highly recommended. So I'm gonna go put this thing together real quick, and yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. All right, well, here we go. Cats were really curious to check it out. So we could set it up probably here. It's going to take a little bit of time. I'll put my base down, whatever I want there to keep the gophers out. Man, those neighbor dogs are super loud. And then I can just plant, probably fill it up to about this level with potting soil. And I can put my vegetables or whatever I want to plant in there. But this has a nice, this edge here now is not sharp. I can run my hand on that and it's not going to cut me. Just be careful with the corners. But other than that, it's a nice solid garden bed there. It's a lot better than I had wood ones before that I made, and I had to get rid of them because they rotted out. So yeah, pretty cool little garden bed here, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.